Here's the review of my bunion booty. I'm having a lot of trouble with my right foot, and my chiropractor suggested that I pick this up. Here's what it looks like. And like I said, it's for my right foot. And so my big toe goes in there. It goes around my foot, and that straps to the heel so that I can wear it, and it will stay on my foot just like that. It has really helped me tremendously, especially standing on my feet for long periods of time when I'm singing. This has been really a great addition to put for that right foot for me. I have really enjoyed it, and it has it's helped me a lot. It really it can be worn day and night, and it's really good. They suggest that you wear it from 2 to 6 hours to really help your situation, and you have to get it in your shoe size because they do come to fit. So make sure if you're getting it, you might want to get it one size up if you're planning on wearing it to bed, or for your actual size if you're going to wear it with your shoes. But you see it's super, super thin, so it's not going to hinder your shoes at all. And put it in your cart today.